Stop. The said writ petition was also withdrawn with liberty to file fresh petition before the High Court on the same and subsequent cause of action. Stop. Armed with the said liberty, the instant writ petition has been filed. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the authority to provide alternate accommodation to the petitioners to carry on their business, as the same are their only source of life and livelihood. Stop. The aforesaid prayer of the petitioners is opposed by the learned advocate representing the state respondents. Stop. It has been submitted that the Honorable Division Bench took into consideration the submission for rehabilitation of the petitioners and was pleased to negate the same. Stop. After the matter has reached finality, the petitioner cannot be granted any relief. Paragraph. From the instruction forwarded by the
district magistrate, Lordship.
District Magistrate Malda, dated 17th of July 2025, it appears that a meeting was conducted by the subdivisional magistrate and the subdivisional officer Malda Shodor on 1st March 2025.
Upon prior notice.
On 2nd January 25 and 28th February 2025. Mm-hmm. 1st March 25. 1st March 2025. To consider the representation filed by the petitioners on 2nd January 25 and 28th February 2025. Stop. As many as 25 petitioners were present and signed the attendance sheet. Stop. All the petitioners were heard. Stop. The petitioners admitted that they do not have any land documents in their name, and license holders paid taxes to the government till 2010. Stop. After 2011, the licenses lapsed and were not renewed. The petitioners present in the hearing sought for an alternate accommodation for running their business. Stop. The petitioners were explained that in the absence of any formal instruction or direction from the department regarding rehabilitation of the hawkers/vendors, their case cannot be considered. Stop. The petitioners accepted the proposition and they unanimously decided to remove all their structures and belongings from the district court complex on 2nd March 2025. Stop. The court has been apprised that the area of the court has since been vacated and has been fenced. Stop. Paragraph. In the absence of any scheme for rehabilitation, the prayer of the petitioners seeking rehabilitation cannot be allowed. Stop. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
And may I get a copy of the instruction? My lord, it will not be 25, 23 petitioners.
23 petitioners.
Certainly.
Give whatever you have. Yes.
Extremely grateful, Lord. Sure.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the petitioner. There has been an order that has been passed by the chairman of maintenance under the Maintenance and Welfare Parents and Senior Citizen Act 2007. My lord, the date of the order is 3rd of December 2024. Now we have come against that order. In this order, the
You are the senior citizen.
no, I am the grandson of the
Grandson.
grandson.
What
The
happened to the son on the daughter?
Grandfather had executed one gift deed in favor of the grandson. Subsequently, the grandfather and the grandmother had been to the tribunal seeking maintenance, and they have also made a separate prayer. They have taken out an application to declare this particular gift deed to be
As void.
transferred, not void, my lord,
To be
to be transferred back to them.
Yes, that means they want cancellation of the gift deed.
Now, the section that was considered by the said learned tribunal was 4, 5, 6, 7, and 23.
Who are the private respondents? Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, there is a,
What do you do?
my lord, I am a student, my lord.
You are a student.
I am studying, and they have initiated cases against my father also in the appropriate before the territorial jurisdictional magistrate for maintenance, against my uncle also. It is like two brothers fighting against two brothers taking the help of the parents. The situation is such. My lord, now I allow me to place a judgment of this honorable court. This is a division bench judgment.
What does it say?
My lord, under this act, challenging the revoking the gift deed executed by the one of the transferor, claiming it to be done unfairly. Gift deed did not stipulate any obligation to provide for the transferor's need. Subdivisional magistrate acting as the maintenance tribunal had exceeded its jurisdiction by revoking the gift deed without proper legal grounds under 23(1) of the Act. Now there has to be a condition. That condition is missing in this deed. There is, I have annexed the deed also. My lord, the deed is from page 12 onwards. There is nothing so as to suggest that it can come within the purview of 23(1) of the Act. It was simpliciter a deed that was given out of love and affection. No other condition had been attached to that deed.
'20th December is long over, within which you ought to have transferred the property. Isn't it? You
Right.
filed this writ petition in July.
July. We went to the tribunal on several occasions. We filed an appeal also, that was also subsequently dismissed. This was, the order was, yes, my lord, that
Where is the order of the
that,
district
that is the
magistrate?
order that I have challenged. That is on 3rd of December, which I should have transferred it back on 20th of December 2024. Subsequently, I did not do so. I came before this honorable court.
You preferred an appeal, you say?
My lord, this was the,
3rd December is the SDO's order. There is an appellate forum.
my lord, we preferred an appeal also.
Where is it?
That appeal was dismissed.
Where is the appeal? Documents of appeal?
The documents of appeal has not been enclosed.
My lord,
Appeal was
give me a-
preferred.
Give me a liberty. It was preferred. Give me a liberty to file a supplementary affidavit. I will include the appeal order.
It was dismissed on the ground, mal, they cannot prefer any appeal. The appeal should be preferred by me, mal, because affecting party. Mal, may I in a nutshell? First, my point is, the writ petition is not maintenance. Second is, there should be a clause, that he should look after me, There was no such clause, I made a complaint before the Panchayat authorities, where he has given an undertaking that he will look after me, he will pay my basic necessities, which was not done. Subsequently, he had preferred an appeal against that order. Civil appeal and criminal, both the appeals were dismissed, Subsequently, they have preferred an appeal against this order, it was dismissed on the ground that this he does not get the aid of that this particular section, my lord. And till date, my lord, I have not been given a single penny, my lord.
My lord, this fact has to be included in his deed. That is what the honorable.
He has given undertaking in writing to take care his parents' law. He has given it on affidavit.
My lord,
Order
Yes.
of the subdivisional officer.
Secretary has given on affidavit to care his parents.
The chairman, subdivisional officer Kagdeep, South 24 Parganas, being the chairman of the maintenance tribunal under the Maintenance and Welfare of Parents and Senior Citizens Act 2007, dated 3rd December 2024. Stop. The said order is an appealable one. Stop. According to the learned advocate for the petitioner submits that that appeal against the said order was filed and the same stood dismissed. Stop. The order of the appellate forum is not under challenge in the instant writ petition. Stop. In view of the above, no relief can be granted to the petitioner in the instant case. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. It will be open for the petitioner to challenge the order passed by the appellate forum before the competent authority in accordance with law, if so advised. Take this back.
My lord, your lordship, my lord, only one thing, my lord, since there is no provision, he can prefer an appeal.
In accordance with law, I have not said anything.
What is my application, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, the husband of the petitioner, my lord, sustained bullet injuries. We allege that it was, my lord, injuries, my lord, perpetrated by the BSF authorities. My lord, he died at Rajshahi Hospital because this incident took place, my lord, near the Indo-Bangladesh border. So, somewhere, my lord, he was traveled.
Union of India, is anybody representing?
My lord, I am for the.
You are for the Union of India. Yes.
So, my lord, he died at the Rajshahi Medical College and Hospital. My lord, this was in 2011. My lord, the mortal remains could not be, my lord, taken to the village of the petitioner. My lord, ultimately, my lord, at page 23, my lord, I have annexed the order passed by, my lord, the then His Lordship Justice Jayanto Biswas. My lord, pursuant to that order, my lord, the mortal remains were brought from Bangladesh to, my lord, India. My lord, this was in 2011, and thereafter, my lord, His Lordship, my lord, granted us liberty to, my lord, approach the criminal court. My lord, we had filed a criminal complaint case, my lord, in 2015, which is pending till date. My lord, now in 2021, my lord, we have approached before the district legal services authorities, my lord, praying for compensation.
Compensation for?
Compensation owing to the death of my husband. My lord.
Under which provision of
The
law will
victim
this
compensation scheme, my lord.
does victim compensation scheme take care of all these incidents also?
It has a clause that, my lord, if there is a death occurs, my lord, then the family of the deceased can apply for compensation. Your lordship may kindly peruses.
How can the victim compensation scheme come over
This
here?
was an unnatural death, my lord.
No, there are so many unnatural deaths taking place and the SLSA will go on paying money.
My lord, kindly considers this.
Show me this scheme.
Yes, madam.
Let me see.
No, 2017.
SLSA?
My lord, I am for the SLSA.
Yes.
My lord, so far this matter is concerned, we have also, my lord, the same page that it is not applicable, but more so, my lord, the report is there that so far they were asked to supply the, my lord, documents regarding the any FIR is there or, my lord, any documents which they have repeatedly failed. And, my lord, this is the communications, my lord, from the District Legal Service Authority. And as my learned friend was saying that they have applied for, they have preferred for filing a criminal case. That case has also been disposed and, my lord, that case was dismissed. My lord, this is the my lord, there, if your lordship kindly turns to here, it has been categorically written, my lord, how many dates was there, and, my lord, that she has failed since, my lord, it is a BSF personnel, so, my lord, either way, the offense, if at all alleged, it has to be, my lord, tried by the security force court. And if it is an active duty, as alleged by the FIR. And now, if she wants to, my lord, proceed with the case in the general criminal court, then, my lord, she has to obtain a sanction. My lord, this is the point, my lord, on which the case was dismissed, because she was repeatedly asked. So this case is also no more, my lord.
The accused are of BSF personnel.
Yes, my lord.
Right. So how can you say that it was, she was or he was a victim of crime? Where is the crime established? Till a crime is established, you do not, you cannot be treated as a victim, and accordingly, victim compensation fund can never be given to you.
The 2E, my lord, kindly considers, my lord.
2E,
offense.
yes,
2E defines offense, my lord.
yes. Victim
Any victim to 2I, my lord. Victim means a
Suffered
person
loss
who has
and
suffered
injury.
loss and injury, my lord, as a result of crime and
How is
requires.
this crime proved? How, where from will you prove the crime?
My lord, kindly sees the eligibility for compensation.
Yes, eligibility for compensation.
Where the offender is not traced.
Here the offender is traced.
Not traced, my lord.
They are
because
BSF personnel.
we have alleged, but the offenders are not traced, my lord.
Where is the criminal case? Where is the
Criminal case, probably, my lord, this instruction I do not have why
Yes,
this has been
please.
dismissed.
Yes, sir.
But, my lord, this has been dismissed, my lord, for want of sanction, my lord.
So that
As
is
I understand.
No, till you can show that there is a crime. Sorry,
My lord,
please
it
come.
is my lord, bullet injury sustained, my lord, kindly sees the, my lord,
The husband of the petitioner. What?
husband of the petition.
The husband of the petitioner
My lord, kindly considers page 27
Um,
once.
expired due to bullet injuries near the Indo-Bangladesh border. Stop. The petitioner alleges that BSF personnel are responsible for firing. Stop. Prayer has been made for grant of compensation under the West Bengal Victim Compensation Scheme, 2017. Stop. As per the scheme, victim means a person who has suffered loss or injury as a result of crime and require rehabilitation. Stop. And the petitioner has not been able to prove that her husband died as a result of crime. Stop. On the contrary, learned advocate representing the state, representing SLSA, relies upon the order of the learned judicial magistrate Lalbagh, Murshidabad, dated 8th November 2024 in CR 865 of 2015. Stop. It appears that the said case, which was filed against the accused BSF personnel, stood dismissed. Stuff. In the absence of any substantive document to show that the victim expired on account of, not account, as a result of crime, the prayer of the petitioner for grant of compensation under the victim compensation scheme cannot be allowed. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed.
Obliged, my lord.
Next.
Obliged.
My lord,
My lordship, I am for the petitioner. Praying for not
No, my lord.
this week,
Not
My lord,
not this week.
my lord, may I just indicate one thing?
Madam, as my senior was unavailable due to CA foundation exam of his son. As
Well,
let him practice CA and he is not
Madam,
required to
his son is
This is
practicing for the CA
practice
exam.
law.
CA
This is
foundation.
that batch of writ petitions, my lord, remember well is LIC's fund was utilized to generate those policies. So first time this writ petition was entertained, my lord directed LIC to reconsider the representation, considered, asked to produce the receipts. They
Nothing
couldn't,
produced.
reasoned order passed, challenging that this thing. So on this line, my lord has already passed several orders. I'm
Hmm.
just carrying those, and one of those was carried up in appeal. And the division bench has affirmed my lord's order.
No.
So disputed
When
question of
is the learned
facts.
advocate coming? Tomorrow?
Kindly next week, madam. Kindly
Why next week? How many days the examination will continue?
then madam fix it on Friday.
See, this is not fun.
No, madam.
The court is in acute crisis of time.
Yes, madam. I understand, my lordship.
What understand? Take instruction when your the advocate on record will be available, and let your other side know. I'll fix a date accordingly. Call the next matter.
Great.
Lordship, I am for the petition.
Yes, he is not for the petitioner, rest assured.
Yes, Lordship. I am for the petitioner. The matter is about denial for the renewing of the passport, Lordship, without valid grounds.
Without
And-
valid ground, how many criminal cases are pending against you?
Lordship, already, may I, Lordship? Already it is been granted by the trial court, Lord. I mean, the court.
Where is the order of the? Where is
Yes,
the order?
page 19, Lordship.
Page
Or-
90.
Yes. And it has been submitted, Lordship, to the original passport office, Calcutta.
A mere no objection will not do.
Here is the no, it is not the no objection, Lordship. It is already been written over here. Please, Lordship, come to the paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 4 and 5, Lordship.
Hmm.
Right to go abroad is a constitutional right. It's been clearly written over here, Lordship.
Who is saying that it is not?
No, because of the passport, to issuing of the passport as
Come.
renewal. Lordship, may I just give one order, Lordship?
May I only indicate that there is a factual error in page 19. It has been recorded that charge sheet has been filed, which is factually incorrect. Charge sheet has been prepared, not yet filed.
In
It
the
will be filed in next.
charge sheet, the petitioner
The
name is
petitioner-
mentioned, Lordship. This is what
The
is irrelevant over
petitioner,
here.
May I just point out? May
yes,
I point out?
please.
The consistent view of your lordship is on the basis of GSR.
570.
Three aspects are to be clarified. The order which is being shown to your lordship at page 19 and the middle part, the
Yes.
passport of the accused is no way related to or the subject matter of this case. That is the recording by the learned judge. Secondly, nothing has been said. Thereafter, we time and again issue notice to him, come and apprise us with documents. The last one is at page 42. Nothing has been done. Let them get a clarification under GSR 570. We shall consider that it's a case of renewal. Your lordship has held. The other coordinate bench are all consistently held. The renewal is to be done anew by following all procedures of law.
Please come.
Yeah, Lordship,
The
please,
petitioner
please, Lordship,
seeks
may I
renewal
just
of
give
his
this,
passport.
This citation, Lordship, over here.
Stop. A criminal case is pending against the petitioner. Stop. As per provisions of GSR 570, dated, what is the date? 25th of March.
That is annexed to the writ petition.
25th of August 1993, published by the Ministry of External Affairs, comma, an applicant seeking renewal of passport is required to obtain an order from the learned court where the criminal proceeding is pending, permitting the applicant to depart the country. Stuff. The petitioner has annexed to the writ petition copy of the order dated 10th February 2025, passed by the learned ACJM Alipur in Anandapur PS case number 75 of 2024, that the court does not have any objection with regard to the renewal of the passport of the petitioner for a period of 10 years. Stop. As per the notification number 570 within bracket caps E. There has to be a specific order permitting the applicant to depart the country. Stop. Paragraph. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the learned trial court for obtaining necessary order in terms of the subject GSR mentioned herein above. The
Lordship,
petition
just one
stands
thing,
disposed of.
Lordship, please come to page 51, Lordship. This is the latest memorandum by the department over there, Lordship. And it is in page 51, and the relevant paragraph is 5, 6, and 5, 7, Lordship. In case where the secondary police verification also adverse, it may be that this is not required. 5, 7, Lordship. This is
Same notification, same reference.
I'll just read it out,
520.
Lordship.
Call the next matter, please. Yes.
Item number 41, kindly fix it on Monday.
Monday. Monday.
No difficulty.
Very well. Monday. Intimate the council for the insurance union. Mr. Singh was here. I saw Mr. Rajesh Singh was there.
Yes.
Please intimate Mr. Singh the next date. Item 41 tact order likhun to. Accommodation has been sought for on behalf of the learned advocate representing the petitioner. Stop. On such prayer released on 22nd September. Next.
43 minute, I am for the petition. Now, petitioner running a FL shop. Now, while in
Off or on?
Off. Only shop.
Yes.
Now, while in course of business,
Hmm.
the petitioner sold some of the articles to a person who paid through scanning the device. If your lordship kindly turn to page 22.
Yes.
On 7th of March 2025, lordship find that there is a transaction of 29,990
Right. Deposit has been made.
by
Yes.
Basmati Devi or someone else. And my lord, the page 26 is the bill
Yes.
for the commodities what we have sold, my lord.
Hmm.
Now, all of a sudden, my bank account has been freezed, alleging that this person, this account where from my lord I received the money, there are some fraudulent transaction, and as a result, my lord, my entire account has been freezed. Challenging that, I come up before your lordship. Now, my lord, I just put a question to myself, my lord, since my lord, in the course of digital
Who is for the bank?
I am for the appearance for the bank. Respondent number 2 and 3.
Yes. You have frozen the bank account in terms of certain communication from the police authorities. Please show me.
Yes, this is the communication.
Yes.
You can find that.
Same amount is mentioned.
Yes.
Debit freeze transaction.
Sir,
FIR.
Patna. Yes. He has requested the bank to defeat the account lordship. Kindly see the action added.
Debit freeze the transaction of suspect account, IP, KYC, certified copy of bank statements,
and
name, address, location, beneficiary account details.
For the timing, that was freeze lordship. But thereafter, the petitioner has made a complaint to the MD of help desk. There are certain help desk toll-free number. He has made a complaint, and that was resolved within 3 days, lordship. And the petitioner now is account has been defreezed, lordship. The petitioner has withdrawing money, conducting transaction, various transactions. That was defreezed on 18th of July. 18th of July, it was defreezed And
The entire account or a certain portion has been marked on lien?
that portion has been
29,900 has been kept on lien and the rest is
he is
open
offered-
for transaction.
Yes.
Now,
Where is,
yes, my lord. Now, my lord, I am raising a question, my lord, that since I have a valid receipt of the transaction
yes,
and nowhere related with whatever crimes is
please
there.
come.
So, my lord, my
The
lord,
petitioner
I'm a bona fide, my lord,
is aggrieved by the steps taken by the bank to debit freeze the bank account without any prior notice to the petitioner. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the bank to defreeze the account. Stop. Learned advocate representing the bank submits that the account of the petitioner stood frozen in terms of the request made by the investigating officer of the Cyber Police Station, Patna.
Yes, sir.
Stop. Certain fraudulent transaction was noticed in the account. Stop. After the petitioner lodged a complaint alleging the freezing of the bank account with the help desk of the bank, the bank took steps and has defreezed the bank account of the petitioner on and from 18th July 2025, and the petitioner is conducting transaction in the said account. Stop. The suspected amount of rupees 29,900 has, however, been marked as lien. Stop. According to the petitioner, the transaction of the aforesaid amount is absolutely legal and there is no fraudulent transaction as alleged. Stop. As it appears that the sum of that the disputed sum has been kept frozen in terms of the not in terms of, in accordance with the request made by the investigating officer in respect of a criminal case that has been registered before the Cyber Police Station, Patna. Accordingly, it will not be proper to direct the bank to defreeze the amount at this stage. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent forum where the criminal case has been registered for any further relief in this regard.
Can you direct the police, my lord, to conclude the proceeding, my lord?
Police is in Patna, so I am not going to
But
direct
they
from
have
here.
made party, my lord, in this process.
So what?
I'm grateful.
Next, disposed.
I'm grateful.
44.
2 and 3.
44. I am appearing for the petitioner, my lord. What happened in this matter? The petitioner participated in a tender, but he quoted the highest rate. Although he quoted the highest rate, but the work has been awarded to an agency who has quoted a lower rate. I challenged that. But in the meantime, the work has already been awarded to the other agency.
All right. So your petition has become infructuous.
Lordship, I am only praying that Lordship will kindly make some observation. They are deprived in all the matters.
There are lots of judgment of your lordship which says in tender matters, time is the essence, main essence. They objected after the expiry of the time scheduled in the NIT.
No,
that is the main issue.
This is not the.
Yes, that is the main issue.
Not be given the opportunity to participate in the auction.
The petitioner
online auction
challenged the instant writ petition, challenging the the petitioner filed the instant writ petition challenging the steps taken by the tender issuing authority to issue the work order in favor of the second lowest bidder by ignoring the claim of the petitioner, who is the L1 bidder. Stop. Paragraph. During the pendency of the writ petition, the work order has been issued. And accordingly, at this stage, the writ petition becomes infructuous. Stop. Learned advocate representing the state respondent submits upon instruction that complaint was lodged by the petitioner after the expiry of the stipulated time period mentioned in the notice inviting tender.
My lord, after I was deprived from participating in auction bid.
Paragraph. As it
At point
appears
of
that the
time,
work order has been issued, accordingly, the court is not inclined to exercise jurisdiction in the matter. The writ petition fails and is hereby dismissed. Service is taken on
Time it
record.
takes some order in future, they should not do all these things.
Next.
I am for the petitioner.
Yes.
I am for the petitioner, Lord. I am applying for statement. Lordship, the petitioners earlier moved a writ petition.
Why?
Today, Lordship, they are constructing. Their injunction by
Call
Honorable
him.
High Court.
Please call him.
Lordship, kindly,
Instruction
I have
did not.
earlier I have moved a writ petition against the construction on my land. The my lord justice Lordship, kindly case 51. My lord justice Tapapatra Chakraborty was pleased to grant interim injunction.
Yes.
51 case.
No, then what happened?
Thereafter, the injunction has been continued till the disposal of the writ petition.
Panchayat authority is raising construction.
No, now, yes, that time.
Now?
Again, the one private respondent number 8 is doing. I don't know on which I made an representative to the SDO. You are constitutional right. According to Article 300, capital A, the land is my constitutional right. So you save me. But no, nothing has been happened on behalf of the SDO. This is the lordship's.
Why are you not approaching the civil forum to obtain an order of injunction?
No, the court has passed an order injunctions. Injunction is still continuing.
Over the same plot of land, the
Yes,
construction is going on.
yes. Because writ petition is still pending. That's why I'm coming here. The SDO,
Why have you filed a separate writ petition?
No. This is the injunction. This is second writ petition regarding to force the earlier injunction. Earlier injunction passed by the Honorable High Court.
The injunction order is still valid, you say?
Valid.
The writ petition is still subsisting. Why did you file a subsequent writ petition?
Because, Lordship, that is, if that writ petition, I shall file an violation, contempt application. It's contempt only for punishment.
Not contempt. You can always get that writ petition heard. It is from 2019. The order was passed in 2019.
2019, Lordship. That petition for hearing, it is not possible, Lordship. I revoke my another jurisdiction to kindly protect my land. I am constitutional right. I am asking against SDO. Because land is a constitutional right under 300A. Lordship, kindly see the division.
No, please do not show. These are very settled positions. 1912-2019.
Constitutional right, Lordship. Now they are constructing in spite of order of the Honorable High Court. Lordship, may I ask them why they have? If they don't do it, then I am.
For the private respondent,
Lordship Pradhan.
you are the Pradhan.
By Tanmay Mukherjee, Lordship.
Yes,
The matter has been referred to the special bench, and in the meantime,
referred to the special
bench. Lordship,
Where
kindly
is
look into
it?
this order of this. Kindly look into page 55.
The petition is still pending. Maybe
What is the-
special bench or I have my
Lordship, kindly look into this observation of the Honorable Justice.
Where?
Written Orindam Sinha. 55, page 55.
Page 55. Where is the
Injunction law,
tagging?
Lordships, kindly look into operative power on querying from the Mr. Mukherjee submit the writ petition be tagged with those referred to the if upheld by the larger bench would render the degree as the nullities. There can be no direction made pursuant to the degree to the cause the writ petition to be dismissed, and Mr. Bosu submits that there are the other contention of the challenge in the writ petition. It be adjourned.
Against that, I have prepared an appeal.
That against this larger bench has been constituted, matter is pending before the larger bench, and in the meantime, he challenged the order of the Honorable Justice Orindam Sinha the being mat number 392 of 2020, that is
Yes.
pending before the.
Yes, that is
How to be
pending.
possible further repetition, further the praying for further interim order.
But interim
The
order is
status quo order is there till disposal of the writ petition.
status quo, not
Matter has been
status quo.
referred
Not to
before the
mention
larger bench.
You are the Pradhan, Panchayat.
I am the-
Are you raising construction?
No, no, I am not raising any construction.
Lordship, kindly come to the.
I am not raising any construction.
Very well.
Lordship's construction has been completed long before. On that ground, contempt application has been filed before the Honorable
Lordship,
Justice
kindly come.
Deepak Chakraborty.
All right, who
After
is
hearing
making?
that has been dismissed.
Who is making construction?
I am not making any construction.
Did you permit construction to be
No,
made?
no, no. No construction is going on.
Did you permit construction to be
No,
made?
no, no.
Did you grant sanction? No.
Nothing.
Have you taken any steps against the construction that has been made?
No, no.
Why?
Construction has been completed long before, Lordship.
Long
I
before
am not
means
raising
when?
any construction at this stage.
Long before means when?
When the already writ petition has been filed, Lordships,
That
at
means
that
in
point of time,
2019.
Lordship, that has been completed prior to passing of the order of the Honorable High Court. On that ground, contempt has been filed.
2019. What steps have you taken to deal with the unauthorized construction?
This is not the unauthorized construction, Lordship. With sanction plan, construction has been done.
Just now you said you did not issue any
No, no, no,
sanction.
no, no, no. With plan, with sanction plan, construction has been done.
Lordship, kindly come page 51. The
Lordship,
order,
with
order of the top of
sanction plan has not been done.
Lordship,
With sanction plan, the
Who
construction has been
granted?
done.
Who granted sanction?
Your Lordship, the government.
Government?
Government has the sanction.
Which government?
This is the market complex, Lordships. This question has cropped up. It is covered by degree judgment. My question is that this is the wasted land. With sanction plan, construction has been done. In the meantime, it has been held by this court before the Honorable Justice Anindam Sinha.
Are you?
The mystery.
It appears that you are supporting the person who made the construction.
Lordships.
You are supporting, isn't it?
Lordship,
Who are you for
with
the-
sanction plan, Lordship, construction has been done.
Who has granted the sanction?
The
Tell me.
government.
Which government? Which
State government.
authority? Which authority of the government granted sanction? Which authority of the government?
The Punjab, Lordship, in the meantime, the government had sanctioned
Which
the grant.
authority? Please show me where is the sanction? Who granted the sanction? Either if it is a panchayat land, it has to come from the pradhan. If it is a multi-storied building, it has to come from the panchayat samiti, the Jila Parishad, whoever who granted the permission for raising construction. Please show me.
Lordship, I have to, Lordship, let me direction be given to submit the report. Lordship, in the meantime, I will produce the with sanction plan that was done. The grant has been sanctioned with either Jila Parishad or Pradhan or government. Let it be, Lordship, the kind.
But tell me how this bench has determination to take up this matter?
Why, Lordship? I have directed to OSDO. Constitutional right I want to.
Constitutional right, there are 9 groups. You can come under group 9.
Lordship is also jurisdiction.
The
Lordship, I asked.
This is the panchayat matter.
SDO.
If it is a panchayat matter, you should go before the panchayat bench.
Lordship, case 51, Lordship, they earlier, I have already, there is an injunction, but they are violating, that's why I'm asking the SDO.
That's why you cannot come under any determination. You have to go in the determination where the issue relates to. This is under the panchayat authorities are illegally raising construction. This is your grievance.
Construction. The order of the Milo Justice Tapobrato.
Yes, appearing for the panchayat authorities.
That's right.
That means
That
it was
means
a
there is
panchayat determination.
Still there is a Lordship injunction.
Doesn't matter,
Asking
but
the-
this is regarding.
SDO is the head of the Lordship, kindly, he can help me.
He
Because
cannot. He can help you, but from the court having determination. See page 53.
Yes, yes.
The second paragraph also there is an interim order by a coordinate bench restraining concerned panchayat from raising any further construction. That means it's a panchayat matter. Why can
pending.
matter is pending? You go before the panchayat bench. Please come.
Lordship, in the meantime, they will in the panchayat matter. Lordship, kindly.
Panchayat matter. This court will not exercise jurisdiction.
No, I am asking for SDO.
SDO lordship the constitutional head of the subdivision. Lordship has jurisdiction to take the SDO. I am asking SDO. I have sent the representation to the SDO.
You want your representation to be considered by the SDO?
SDO.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে লিখুন তো the petitioner seeks consideration of the representation filed before the subdivisional officer Kontai. Stop. Submission is that the subdivisional officer ought to take steps to act in terms of the order passed by the court, restraining any construction to be made. Paragraph. Learned advocate representing the Panchayat authority submits upon instruction that the construction is being made in accordance with the plan sanctioned. Paragraph. Without entering into the merits of the grievances,
Has already been made.
not grievances, claim and counterclaim of the parties, comma. The instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the subdivisional officer Kontai to consider and dispose of the legal representation filed on behalf of the petitioners strictly in accordance with law, after
Considering the
giving
injunction.
reasonable opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties and keeping in mind the order of injunction passed by this court in WP number 4040 within bracket W of 2019. Within bracket Dilip Kumar Giri and others versus State of West Bengal and others. And dispose of the same by passing a reasoned order at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. Stop. If any unauthorized construction is detected, comma, necessary steps shall be taken to deal with the same in accordance with law. Disposed.
Item number 46, I appeal for the petitioner.
Yes.
This is my affidavit of service. This is my notice intimating the matter has been
Who
updated.
is your other side?
I'm told Mr. Ansar Mondal is appearing, my lord.
And then who's assisting him?
Mr. Mohim Chaudhuri, my lord.
All right. Yes. What is the matter?
My lord, there is a ditch, popularly known as my lord, Noyanjali, my lord, within the boundary walls of my lord, of the villages Gordabar and my lord, and
There is a private respondent.
my lord, I have served, my lord, but the my lord, track report shows that due to insufficient address, my lord, it has come back. But we have got the address, my lord, from the electoral roll.
Electoral roll does not give. See, it's mentioned only resident of village such and such. Nothing is mentioned. How can somebody be found out only by giving the address of the village?
We have indicated the village, the my lord, district, the my lord, under which my lord.
Yes, the district and the police station.
Police station.
So it's difficult. What is your prayer?
The prayer, my lord. My lord, the main contention is that this private respondent, my lord, is illegally constructing a my lord, bridge over that ditch, my lord. This, my lord, this ditch, my lord, is under the my lord, jurisdiction of the irrigation department. We have annexed the my lord, record of rights, which shows, my lord, that this ditch, my lord, is under the irrigation department. My lord, may kindly seize, my lord, page number 30, my lord. This shows, my lord, dag number 354/973.
Yes.
And my lord, the Khotian number is 102. My lord, kindly seize Otro Khong Samudoy Jomi Bigapito Shech Elaka Bhukto. My lord, I have, my lord, annexed the my lord, photographs at page number 33, my lord.
Yes.
And I have got some, my lord, recent photographs, my lord.
Yes.
This show that the flow of that ditch, my lord, is being obstructed. Now, my lord, this construction over this ditch, my lord, is being raised. My lord, kindly see the photograph.
Did you complain?
My lord, I have made complaint. Well, I have made several representations, but my lord, latest, my lord, 4th of June, my lord, for page number 48.
Before the DM?
And also, my lord, the copy was sent to my lord. At least, says my lord, serial number 4. Manoniyo Sohokari Bastukar Panchkura Shech Upabhokti Ek. My lord, respond number, my lord. My lord, respond number 6, my lord. My lord,
Yes.
I have prayed for an interim order, my lord, restraining this private respondent from making the illegal construction, my lord, over this ditch, and also, my lord, prayer number, my lord, prayer, my lord, directing the state respondents to file a report, my lord, indicating the steps taken by them. My lord, prayer G, my lord.
Please come. None appears on behalf of the state respondents despite service. Affidavit of service and the notice of upgradation filed in court is taken on record. Step. The petitioner complains of illegal construction of a bridge over a water body, which is recorded in the name of the Irrigation and Waterways Department. Stop paragraph. In the absence of the respondents, it is not possible for the court to decide the issue conclusively. Stop. A complaint before the assistant engineer, Tomluk Irrigation Subdivision, Irrigation and Waterways Directorate is pending consideration. Stop. Without entering into the merit of the same, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the respondent number 6 to consider and dispose of the objection filed
Lord,
by
if I
the
may say, my
petitioner.
lord, only one thing, my lord. We have made several representations.
Law. At the earliest, after giving reasonable opportunity of hearing to all the necessary parties. Stop. If it is found that the construction is illegal and does not bear any sanction of law, then steps for immediate demolition shall be taken. Stop. A final decision shall be taken by the authority at the earliest, but positively within a period of 6 weeks from the date of communication of this order. The writ petition stands disposed of.
My lord, I appear for the petitioner. My lord, very short matter. Partially
For Reserve Bank of India, ma'am.
partially my grievance has been redressed. So, my lord, I'll just indicate in very short, the petitioner company along with its group company has invested around 83 crores of rupees in respondent number 4 NBFC. It's a non-banking financial organization, respondent number 4. However, my lord, there has been several irregularities by the NBFC and there has been, and those irregularities has duly been complained to the Reserve Bank of India. Now, my lord, pursuant to our complaint and after filing this writ petition, Reserve Bank of India has registered a complaint. However, my lord, I'm just seeking a direction that let Reserve Bank of India continue with their investigation within a time-bound manner. And if found guilty of all those irregularities, then proceeding may be initiated for cancellation of the license of respondent number 4.
My lord,
This
may I just indicate?
A number has been generated and made known to you, and you have been requested to keep a track.
Yes.
But there is no final order from.
Exactly.
No,
So
that is not there.
investigation
I'll
has
just
started.
indicate what has happened, Your Lordship.
No,
Now-
do not tell me what has happened. Tell me if anything further is required to be done or not.
It is being looked into.
It is being looked into.
It is being looked into. Now, so far as the accounts of respondent number 4 is concerned, as alleged in the petition, up to 31st March 2024, everything is complied with.
Whatever.
Now,
Please
whatever
come.
the present scenario, we are still looking into it. It will take some time,
The
but it can't be made
complaint
time bound. Your Lordship
of
will
the
not kindly
petitioner.
direct them to make it time bound.
The complaint of the petitioner before the Reserve Bank of India is pending consideration. Stop. Prayer has been made to direct the RBI Ombudsman to conclude the investigation and pass a reasoned order. Stop. Learned advocate representing the RBI submits that the complaint of the petitioner is being looked into and it will take some time to pass a final order in the matter. Stop paragraph. It appears that the complaint of the petitioner has been registered and a number allotted. Stop. The RBI Ombudsman is requested to expedite the matter and endeavor to arrive at a final decision on the complaint lodged by the petitioner. The writ petition stands disposed of. How much time are you expecting to?
My lord, even I asked for the
Yes.
timeline. They are saying it will take some time. They can't give any definite timeline or the outline of the entire scenario because up to 2024, everything is complied.
You
with.
can track it. The
Yes, they
number
can.
is there.
Only difficulty, my lord. My lord has passed this order 354 page. Once my lord takes a look at 354, this is the only difficulty. Why we made this complaint. And RBI should be more cautious about this. It is their list. 354 on top.
This list is
NBFC categorized high risk financial institution on account of non-compliance with PMLA and PMLA rules. Here the petitioner comes in this list.
Yes, but
So
that list is not of RBI's. That list is maintained by Financial Intelligence Unit of India. That's a different body altogether.
I'm not complaining on that. More so, RBI should be more cautious because this NBFC against which
as a regulatory body, if there is any,
they are falling within this high risk financial institution. And
what relationship you have with this NBFC?
We have invested.
They have
Why have
invested.
you
Why did
invested
they
it?
invest in the first
Those
place?
are my separate issues. I'm
Next.
Madam, may kindly make it time bound, madam.
No. You go and deposit money in such an institution and now you come seeking a direction upon RBI to take steps. Sorry. Affidavit of service, please give.
Great.
Yes.
Is the prayer for return of the original deeds. That is the paragraph 9, which I have stated, my lord. Only verbally instruction that the deficit stamp duty, the deed has not been handed over. I kindly appreciate, my lord, the prayer for representation.
If you have not put in the deficit stamp duty, why will the
prayer has been made, that has not been considered.
Which prayer?
My answer P2 and representation. Is the prayer for petitioner making the prayer for deposit the court fee, stamp duty. That has not been disposed of and considered. And thereafter demand just.
Yes, your submission.
But application has been made.
Acquisition.
Application has been made.
Application.
But if he deficit the court fee, it will be given.
That is the prayer.
Your lordship kindly direct to consider this.
No, but thing is that why have you not paid? Are they not accepting?
No, my lord, that
is not the
that is not the grievance.
That is not the only paragraph 9 I have stated, my lord. Only the grievance, my lord, the deficit.
The deed submitted by the petitioner before the ADSR. Bajbaj has not been registered for want of on account of deficit court fees.
Stamp duty.
Stamp duty, right. Deficit stamp duty. Stop. The petitioner made an application before the ADSR seeking permission to submit the deficit court fees.
Deficit stamp duty.
Stamp duty, not court fees. The representation is pending consideration. Stop. Without entering into the merit of the representation, the instant writ petition is disposed of by directing the ADSR Bajbaj to take steps to consider the legal representation filed on behalf of the petitioner dated 25th of June 2025, strictly in accordance with law at the earliest, but positively within a period of 8 weeks from the date of communication of this order. A reasoned order shall be passed and communicated to the petitioner immediately thereafter.
May I please the Lordship, I am for the petition.
Yes.
Like for the respondent Bangalore.
My Lord, petitioner purchased a property by auction from the Canara Bank. Well, can you see page 10 and
Yes.
51?
Then what happened?
We paid 48 lakhs and plus purchased that property. Thereafter, we went to the property for repairing and renovation for software. But we got a notice, next page, my lord. 401 of the KMC Act, next annexure, page 11, annexure P2.
Yes.
And they have stopped the repairing work of the state commercial plot. So bank has taken huge money from me, and against that 400 notice has been, but they have subtracted everything. Not only that, the bank told us 1100 square feet, but we got only 500 square. After going to the property in question, we got 500 only.
What is
And
the prayer?
for that, police is coming each and every interval to stop, to open or stop to any repairing of the said road. That is my case. Whether they give me the peaceful position or refund my money.
Please come.
Possession on behalf of the
Okay.
bank,
Yes.
kindly see, the possession letter only shows that we have handed over 1100 square feet. That is there, at page 10, which and the sale notice is for
Have
as is there is.
purchased a property on sale from the Canara Bank under the provisions of the Securitization Surface Act. Okay. Submission is that though the bank was though the sale certificate mentions handing over possession of 1100 square feet, but actually only 500 square feet has been handed. Stop. Further grievance of the petitioner is that the Kolkata Municipal Corporation has issued a notice in April 2025 directing the petitioner to
Not the petitioner, the OC. New Alipur Police Station.
OC is.
It's not directed to the petitioner.
আচ্ছা কি না কি বললাম সেন্টেন্সটা No, that the KMC has initiated a proceeding under the KMC Act 1980 against the unauthorized construction made at the subject premises, for which the petitioner is not in a position to do the repairing/renovation work at the subject premises. The petitioner submits that the bank has committed fraud by selling of the property upon suppression of material facts. Prayer has been made to direct the bank to refund the money paid by the petitioner at the time of sale of the subject property. Paragraph. From the documents annexed to the writ petition, it appears that a sale letter along with a communication showing handing over of physical possession of the property sold in surfacey e-auction, giving the detailed description of the subject property, was handed over to the petitioner. Stop. There is nothing on record to suggest that the petitioner objected to the measurement of the property purchased by the petitioner. Stop. After the sale letter has been issued and possession taken by the petitioner, comma, the petitioner ought not to turn around and challenge the measurement of the property sold. Stop. The petitioner ought to have exercised caution at the time of making it his at the time of submitting his bid in auction. Stop. At this stage, the submission of the petitioner regarding handing over of less area cannot be adjudicated by the writ court. Paragraph. As regards the steps taken by the corporation to stop the petitioner from proceeding, corporation and the police, to stop the petitioner to proceed with any repairing / renovation work, comma, it appears that steps have been taken under the provisions of the KMC Act 1980. Stop. It will be open for the petitioner to approach the competent forum for remedy in accordance with law if so advised. Stop. The bank does not owe any further obligation to the buyer as regards permission to be obtained from the statutory authorities for making repairs / renovation. Stop. The writ petition accordingly fails and is hereby dismissed.
Much obliged.
Next.
My lordship, I'm praying kindly not today.
I'm for the petitioner, my lord.
I'm for respondent number 10. The conducting advocate is in Delhi today.
Yes, please. What is the matter?
Respondent number 5, the council.
And respondent number 7?
Everything service and my lord.
5 is the West Bengal Council of Yoga. You are the state.
I'm for the state.
You are for the state. You are for?
I'm the instructor, my lord.
Instructor means? Which
Invigilator of the
respondent?
examination, my lord. Invigilator of the examination, my lord. He has been made party. Respondent number 7.
Respondent number 7. By name?
I'm not the, yes, my lord. I'm not, main grievance is against respondent number 4. I've been
Let
made as
me
a party.
hear.
My lord.
Director of Ayurveda, the State Department of Health will take care
He
of
can
this.
be respondent number 7 because I am appearing for respondent number 7, president of the council.
Yes.
Then he must be there for somebody else. Where is the Wakalatnama?
Dr.
It has been filed, my lord. That is
On behalf of whom?
Shubhajit Chaudhary. He has been.
No, on behalf of whom? What is the name of your...
Shubhajit Chaudhary is not a party.
No, he's the council is Shubhajit Chaudhary.
Advocate is Shubhajit
Advocate, yes, my lord.
Yes.
Under his instruction, I have been said that he's appearing for respondent number 7.
And 7 is my army.
My lord.
Dr. Tushar Kanti Shield.
He's the president of the number 5.
Anyway, what is your submission?
My lord,
এই কে ওকালতনামা ফাইল করেছে দেখো তো রেসপন্ডেন্ট নাম্বার 9 10 and 11 9 দেখতে পাচ্ছি ও ডিস্ট্রিক্ট অফ
Respondent number 11, my lord.
11 ডক্টর উজ্জ্বল কুমার ঘোষ you are 10
But some difficulty, 11 also I am appearing. He's a member of the governing body.
if you get hold of all the respondents where will he go?
Well, I am for the council.
He's the panel advocate, my lord. He can.
No, it's not a panel advocate.
It's not a 5. You're the
I
panel
am for
advocate
the
5.
council and the governing body members.
All are governing body members.
But not
Most
his
of them.
person.
Most of
11 is not. 11 is my person.
But Shubhajit Chaudhary, I'm appearing under his instruction, man.
Anyway, let me hear.
Respondent 5 is the statutory body, my lord.
Yes.
Under, my lord, the statute
Yes.
is that annexure 1, P1. This is the West Bengal Yoga and Naturopathy System of Medicine Act.
Hmm.
My lord, in running of the respondent number 5, the other respondent, that is 7 onwards, they have made major corruption, my lord. Challenging that, several representations made. And my lord, under RTI application, some documents have arrived to the hand of the petitioner. And with that, my lord, the elaborate representation made before the respondent authorities, but nothing has been
Which
done.
authority?
All the authorities, my lord. At page, my lord.
You want a response from which authority? See, council cannot consider because the members of the council are all, you say, are corrupt.
Yes.
So it has to go to some other authority.
Yes.
DG Ayush.
Other respondent authority, yes. Page, my lord, 113.
Joint Secretary Ayush. Yes.
113 is that.
1 minute. Yes, please. Where is your objection?
At page 113.
113.
The elaborate representation.
Yes.
And as it appears, my lord, that
you want a consideration from the minister in charge?
No, my lord.
Then from whom?
That is made before by the petitioner. But
1 minute.
my lord, my prayer is here that there is a major corruption, and for that, my lord, if it is possible, it can be investigated by a independent authority, and preferably by CBI, for detecting, my lord, that there is a major, my lord, illegality. If your lordship can allow me, I can elaborate one by one.
No, please do not elaborate. Yes.
This writ petition is not maintainable.
Why?
His behest. Number one. Previously, there was a writ petition order passed by this Honorable Court, Dipankar Mukherjee.
Yes.
Dipankar Mukherjee and other. The cause which he has exposed here was covered there.
All right.
The members, another writ petition was pending before my lord again. 2. A appeal, public interest litigation is pending before Justice Pal's bench, where we are appearing and exchange affidavits and exchange everything has.
And the allegations are the same?
No,
all the allegations are different.
Wait.
And
Yes,
he is
you
one
say.
such candidate whose registration we have cancelled because in exam he got 00 out of 100.
All right.
So this is merely a counterblast.
All right.
He has come. He is aware of the other orders which he has annexed.
All right. Please come.
No, my lord. Kindly come to
the petitioner alleges corruption, large-scale corruption on behalf of the respondent number 5 and the members of the respondent number 5. Stop. He prays for an investigation to be conducted by the Central Bureau of Investigation.
Preferably, my lord, or any other authority.
Preferably by CBI. Stop. The aforesaid submission of the petitioner is opposed by the learned advocate representing the respondent number 5. Stop. It has been submitted that the instant writ petition is a counterblast to the steps taken by the council against the petitioner to cancel his registration, as he secured 0 marks out of 100 in the examination.
Yes.
He cannot, my lord. If your lordship kindly sees,
1 minute. In the examination.
Yes, my lord, kindly comes to page 68 of this brief. 68.
And also page 19 onwards, my lord. His academic qualification is elaborately given.
This is the order by
And you also have passed the order in page 68.
And page 69, paragraph 7, pursuant to this direction, we have passed another order also.
All right, 0 use where he secured 0 in an examination.
Yes.
Which examination?
Well, for this teacher.
Teacher means?
Well, class A, class B. Well, there are two classes of
in an examination.
Doctors. In an exam, my lord will kindly otherwise have to make elaborate point on this.
Learned advocate representing the state respondent seeks time to take instruction. Stop. Let a report by way of affidavit be prepared by the state respondents and the respondent number 5 by 21st of November. Reply thereto, if any, by 5th of December. Liberty to mention the matter for hearing before any bench having determination. Affidavit of service filed in court is taken on record.
Another writ petition is filed against this, my lord, respondent authority.
All right.
But on a separate, my lord, cause of action.
Yes,
separate
call the next
clear, my
matter.
lord.
All arising out
Can
of
be-
cancellation of the registration.
What is your name?
Preeti Gupta.
Preeti Gupta. For the respondent number 10. What number লিখে নেবেন তো?
10 টা কি?
Uttam Adhikari. Yes.
He also happens to be one of your council members.
Yes, I know.
But possibly they have given separate wakalatnama to the advocates.
The executive member.
Whatever. Next. 51.
Chair for the writ petitioner, my lord.
You are for?
I am filing my affidavit. In short, I am telling the matter, my lord. Petitioner is a registered licensee with the railways, and in that capacity has participated in one e-auction floated by the railways, my lord, for installation of scanning machines. For that, petitioner has invested in huge amount for importing the machines from the outside. Now, my lord, after the contract was executed, my lord, it was continued for 10 months. Thereafter, there was allegations of deficiency of service from the railways part. Now, they have issued one show cause notice to us. That show cause notice, my lord, was bereft of any material particulars. I have given reply over the same, and I have also sought at least 15 to 20 days of time to shortfall the deficiency. Now, my lord, what they did, they didn't consider anything. They straightaway terminated my contract. Now, my lord, the twofold challenges which I am there before I have challenged the termination notice. First, there was violation of natural justice, and second, as the e-auction agreement was executed by senior divisional commercial manager, the termination letter has been issued by the assistant commercial manager. So assistant commercial manager, without any express delegation of power, cannot terminate the contract. My lord, for this particular aspect, my lord, this issue has already been raised by a coordinate bench judgment and affirmed by the honorable division bench. My lord, kindly see the termination letter, which is at page 47. I'm challenging the competence of the person who has issued the letter of termination. Page 47.
Yes.
Assistant commercial manager for senior divisional commercial manager. My lord, kindly see what the coordinate bench has said, that assistant commercial manager cannot terminate for senior divisional commercial manager. This has been, my lord, I'm referring page 61 of the coordinate bench judgment, and it has been affirmed by the honorable division bench.
Yes.
My lord, may I read page 15?
See, paragraph 61, you say?
Yes, paragraph 61.
Yes. Thereafter?
The next, my lord, may I read?
No, thereafter I have read
Thereafter, my lord, this has been taken into appeal by the railways, and the honorable division bench has affirmed this order. So far as the competency competency of the assistant commercial manager is concerned. Now, my lord, it has been established here that ACM has no power to issue the letter of termination.
Show me your 1 minute.
Just
1 minute. Please show me your contract first.
My lord, kindly see the page 29. Yes, lesser. Kindly see the lesser. Page 29, annexure P1.
Yes.
Lesser is senior divisional commercial manager. Now, my lord.
Where is the senior divisional commercial?
Yes, my lord.
It is the office, senior DCM office at Kharagpur.
Yes.
Commercial.
Senior divisional commercial manager, Kharagpur. My lord, the show cause notice has also been issued by the senior divisional commercial manager, which is at page 37. This is show cause notice, my lord.
Yes.
Issued by senior divisional commercial manager, but the termination notice has been issued by the ACM, who cannot, without express delegation of power. ACM do not have the power to terminate.
So, are you aware whether this was delegated or not? You do not know whether the power was delegated or not. No, you do not know.
They could not be able to show any express power of delegation before the two coordinate benches. And recently, my lord, another order was passed
by Honorable Justice, on a similar thing, similar question came whether ACM has the power to pass the order of termination or not. There also they could not be able to demonstrate it.
Even if delegation is there?
Delegation is not there. ACM cannot. ACM has done it independently of senior DCM's approval.
It is mentioned for. It
For
is not.
cannot be done, my lord. That has been gone into by the coordinate bench. For cannot be done because it is not with the approval. He's just saying with I am doing it for on behalf of it. On behalf he cannot do it, and also not on for.
First thing is that
Just a minute. Could you kindly see the judgment?
Contract 20.3.
It is categorically stated.
Paragraph 28.3 of FMC 11, please show me.
28.3.
Page 47.
Yes, well, that is at FM circular. That which starts from 65. No. Yes, well, page 62. Page 62.
Yes.
28.3, however, notwithstanding anything contained in para 28.2 above, railway shall also reserve the right to terminate the contract as punitive measures without any notice, and at any time in case of serious violation of the agreement by the contractor. The definition of railways have been very much there in section 4, subsection 32, which says only general manager. That is the point, my lord.
What is the dispute redressal mechanism as mentioned in this standard conditions of contract?
My lord, as because there is an arbitration clause, but that is not my lord, bar so far as invocation of the writ jurisdiction is concerned, because on 2 contingencies, my lord, out of 3, I have approached before this honorable court because there was a violation of the principle of natural justice, and the order which has been issued by the authority is not
principle of natural justice in passing the order of termination.
Yes. Later on,
a show cause notice was given to you. Where is the violation of the principle of natural justice?
My lord, the show cause notice was present of any material particulars.
That is you say.
No,
there was a response.
That was not taken into account.
Where is your response?
Page 31.
Page 41.
It's a vital point.
Please wait. Page 41.
Page 41.
Reply.
All the queries have been answered.
All right.
But they have not taken all these things. They have not at least issued a notice of hearing to me. And above and all, my lord, it has been done hurriedly and by a person who is not authorized to do it. Your Lordship sees the order of the coordinate bench, my lord, it will clearly as said. (28.3) says the railway administration. The railway administration definition is here. It does not include ACM. And that has what the Honorable Court has said time and again.
Yes.
Petition.
Your Lordship sees paragraph 61 onwards.
I have seen that.
Clearly stated, and it has been taken note by another coordinate bench in staying the impugned order of termination because of the lack of authority of the person.
All right. Yes.
Petition is not maintainable according to the law.
Yes.
Thing is that Civil Procedure Code section 80, it is very much clear that in railway matter, secretary cannot be a party.
Secretary?
Secretary, railway matter, secretary cannot be a party. First, respondent number 1, I do not come to the merit of the case. First, I shall come that petition is maintainable or no. Lord, Civil Procedure Code Section 80. Come. Secretary. Well, can you look at the
No, I will not look. I cannot follow your submission. This is a writ petition and this is not a civil matter.
My lord, appellate side rule
Yes.
53 always maintain civil procedure code. Can you look at the
Please, sir, will you tell me how you have acted in accordance with the provisions of your contract?
My lord, point is that why I shall go that point. First thing, the writ petition is maintainable.
Very well. Please come.
But point is that. Well, give me opportunity, I shall file the affidavit in opposition.
The petitioner is aggrieved by the notice of termination dated 1st July 2025 issued by the Assistant Commercial Manager for the Senior Divisional Commercial Manager, Southeastern Railway, Kharagpur. Stop. It appears that a show cause notice was issued prior to the issuance of notice of termination. The petitioner replied to the show cause notice. Stop. Paragraph. Allegation is that there has been violation of the principle of natural justice. Stop. The authority issuing the show cause notice does not have the power and a right to issue the same. Stop. Attention of the court has been drawn to the contract agreement dated 16th August 2024, wherein the lessor has been described as the Senior Divisional Commercial Manager. Stop. The show cause notice appears to have been issued by the said Senior Divisional Commercial Manager, but the notice of termination has been issued by the Assistant Commercial Manager. Stop. In support of the submission that the Assistant Commercial Manager does not have the authority to issue such notice of termination, the petitioner relies on the judgment delivered by this court on 18th May 2022 in WPA 21362 of 2021 in the matter of Anil Bareja versus Union of India and others, wherein the court held that the Assistant Commercial Manager was not specifically designated to function as the Senior Divisional Commercial Manager. Stuff. In the absence of expressed delegation to the Assistant Commercial Manager, the said person could not have issued the termination notice for the Senior Divisional Commercial Manager. Paragraph. The further case of the petitioner is that the points taken in the response to the show cause was not considered by the authority. Stop. No opportunity of hearing was granted by the authority prior to passing the order of termination. Stop. Prayer has been made to set aside the impugned order of termination. Learned advocate representing the railways raises a preliminary objection with regard to the maintainability of the writ petition. Stop. It has been submitted that the writ petition could not have been filed against the Secretary of the Ministry of Railways. Stop. Next. I have heard the submission made on behalf of the parties. Stop. Admittedly, it appears that the contract was entered into by and between the petitioner and the senior divisional commercial manager. Stop. The show cause notice has been issued by the senior divisional commercial manager, but the notice of termination has been issued by the assistant commercial manager, who is an officer junior to the rank of the senior divisional commercial manager. Stop. There is nothing on record to suggest that there has been delegation of power by the senior officer to the junior. Stop. Next. The petitioner submits that no opportunity of hearing was given to the petitioner prior to passing the order of termination. Stop. Paragraph. As the court is satisfied that the impugned order of termination could not have been issued by the assistant commercial manager as held by the court in the matter of Anil Bareja within bracket Supra. Accordingly, the notice of termination is set aside. Stop. The senior divisional commercial manager, it will be open for the senior divisional commercial manager to decide the matter afresh in accordance with the contractual terms and conditions, after giving a reasonable opportunity of hearing to the petitioner. Stop. A fresh order be passed by the authority. Instant writ petition stands disposed of.
Grateful.
Next. आगे क्यों नहीं?
For the respondent, 1 week accommodation, my lord, because we have not received any instruction, my lord.
No, my lord, the only thing is every day, my lord, amounts are being debited from my entitlements. My lord, what has happened? Just, my lord, give me 1 second time, my lord. These are supply of, my lord, clips, elastic clips to the railways. Now, my lord, I made the supply. After the time period, my lord, essentially fixed by them, my lord, that is a period of 30 months. Beyond that, they say that there are certain defective items. They indicate. And, my lord, they extract. They made me cough up, my lord, 1,74 lakhs and odd. Then I pay. And I replace the amount. The clips, 50,000. Now, my lord, they don't return the defective clips first to me. That is number one. Apart from that, my lord,
they will return it provided you pay the money.
I've paid.
All right.
74 also done. What they have done is, my entitlement is suppose X, my lord, they have deducted 1,74 from X. And they have now, my lord, every time what is happening is, first they are not returning my goods, whatever goods they are holding on. The documents, my lord, I'm seeking your lordship.
See, today she is seeking time.
My lord, I'm seeking your lordship's leave to file a supplementary affidavit.
Why?
Just disclosing, my lord, certain communications, my lord, which have made, my lord, informed to me, my lord, which have further, my lord, strengthened my case. My lord, to the extent that this 50,000 of these clips, that is the replaced clips, my lord, that is also lying with them. The fact that I have, my lord, replaced 50,000 is also with them. My lord, the return,
you want your clips back, defective ones?
Yes, because that is their circular.
All right. You want the clips back.
Yes,
nothing more.
Ones.
Nothing more.
And, my lord, the amount that they have been deducting, my lord, if they can't have everything, clips they have taken, replaced clips they have taken, 1,74 they have taken, my lord, everything, it is unilateral, not bilateral, just because I have entered into a contract.
Anyway, please come.
Lord,
supplementary affidavit filed by the petitioner in court today is taken on record. Stipulate copy of the same be served upon the learned advocate representing the respondents. Stop. On the prayer of the learned advocate representing the respondents seeking time to take instruction in the matter, release the writ petition on 23rd.
Great.
Please take written instruction. And are you appearing independently? Somebody is leading you?
Sushmita Shahado
Is appearing.
So you are not there?
No, man.
How can your appearance be recorded? And somebody who's not present can the appearance cannot be recorded. You give your name for লিখে দেবেন তো for such and such. ঠিক আছে? Written instruction shall be obtained by the learned advocate for the respondents and be placed before this court on the adjourned date. Fixed. Fixed matter.
No further motion.
No further matter.